Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of something went wrong on the application of Flow. You will go to settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about Flow and you will enter here in this page. As you see, here in this list you will find the app info. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. As you see here, you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you.